Dente. Thank you so much for coming to my live. Today we're going to make this candy jar. And you might hear my assistant playing over there. He's playing with his toys and everything. So you would need a clay flower pot. You would need a bubble ball vase. You would need 2 clay saucers and a wooden ball. You would need a bow and like any decoration you want for your candy jar. So let's start making it. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can just put the vase on top of it, just like this, and then just put the top on. Or you could get a vase that has a top on it too, like a candy jar, like round like this, and put it on top. You can. But today I'm going to make one like I did on here that has 2 saucers on it. So how you want to do it is put the saucer down and put some hot glue down all around. And also make sure that your saucer is the perfect size for your flower pot. Mine fits around circle, it fits perfect around. So you let it cool down and then you can flip it over. Also you want to make sure your vase will fit inside of it too. But you can also have a bigger one if you just get bigger flower pots and sauce. You can make a very big one if you want. So after you glue them 2 pieces together, you'll want to glue the vase onto it. I'm just going to put some glue all around the edge right here.
I hope everybody's having a good day.
Then just make sure all your strings, you get all your strings before putting it on. And then you just glue it on and just push it down. And make sure you have it even best you can. And you pull all your strings. Then you let it dry. And then you want your lid. You just glue whatever you want to put on top. I just have a round piece on it. You can also use characters like figurines on there. I've seen people do. So then you could just put it on top like that, and you got your candy jar ready. And then whatever decoration you want to glue on to it, you can. I'm just trying to get all the strings off. Now I made my bow, and this is all from Dollar Tree. You can they have these wooden hearts you can put on, and then you can pick whatever ribbon you want or decorations. If you find a bow that you like at the store, you can use that. Just find the side that you want to put your decoration on. Let's see which one I like better. I think this side right here is good. Then you just glue it. Sorry. My dog's barking. He hears something outside. So you just glue it underneath it, and then you just glue it, and then you got it. And then you'll just put candy in it, whatever kind of candy you want. And then you got your candy jar. And also you can paint it any kind of color you want. And these will be great gifts for Valentine's. You can use it as a treat ball for your dog. You don't have to make it Valentine's. You can do all sorts of different kinds you want. And also, I'm still giving away a crossband away. We have 9 more people, and this is what it would look like. So please invite people to like my Facebook page so you can try to win this. Hope y'all have a great day. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.